go!
7343161. Is it David's number?
Yes, yes. What's up?
Can you come to the party with me?
Oh, sorry, because I'm going to my cousin's birthday party.
May you go to party after your cousin's birthday party?
I can't, because I'm going to stay at my cousin's house tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. I forward it to you. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, is it David's number?
Oh, sorry, you have got the wrong number.
Oh, sorry. Hello.
Hello, may I talk to Andy?
Oh, is it out 10 minutes ago?
Can I just message to Andy?
Of course.
Tell her to bring my dictionary to school tomorrow.
Oh, yes, I will give you your message.
Thanks, bye.
Bye. Hello, may I speak to Danny?
Yes, of course.
Who's speaking? My name Brahman.
Wait a minute, I will call her.
Thank you. This is Telcom office. Good morning.
May I talk to the head of the office?
Sorry, it's meeting.
Thanks.
Bye.